Welcome to Blackjack Special.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, Blackjack Special, back with another video for you guys. Yeah, so for today we got a quick video. I'm about to install this Z1 Undershroud. You know what I'm saying? Let me show you guys what we're looking at. So here's a bad boy right here. All right. You know what I'm saying? One piece, 2, 3. As you guys can see, we ain't got nothing under here, man. Can't be driving around like that. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna take care of that. I'm gonna try and do this video quick. I don't have a lot of time today. But if you guys wanna see a more in-depth install video, just let your boy know, all right? It's gonna be a quick thing. I'll show you guys a couple steps, and then yeah, any question, leave a comment, all right? Let's do it. Yeah, guys, just everything that comes in the package. Get all these screws, you know what I'm saying, washers, and this is the tool to put these guys in, all right? So let's do it. Zoom this out a little bit, show you guys. So yeah, that's what I got here so far. I got a drill, 10 millimeter. All right, drill bit, 10 millimeter drill bit. I'll have some sockets and stuff I'm gonna pull out after. But for now, I just wanna set these guys up here. I'm gonna install them. Maybe start adding some bolts on these things, and then drill out the holes I gotta drill out. I'll show you guys. Okay, guys, so first thing I'm gonna do is add a bolt on this panel right here. This panel is going to be all the way in the back. So this will be the last panel, this will be the middle, and then this will be the one in the front. For this panel, I'm just going to add a bolt, a spacer, and a washer. All right. Okay, guys, so we got to drill out these 3 holes. I did it already. You need a 10 millimeter drill bit. All right, and you drill these out so these guys can fit in. And then this is a tool from Z1 that you gotta use to tighten these guys down. Okay, guys, so it's actually like this. This is how you set it up. Goes in that way, like this. And then this will be in the hole. Then you're just gonna screw this in. And then you're gonna need your 2 wrenches, okay? You need a 17 mil, and you're gonna need a 14 mil, okay? 17 for the bigger, and 14 for the smaller bolt here, okay? So you can see, this guy, you just hold this. So this one is just prevented from spinning, okay, the bigger one. And then the small one, you're gonna turn to the right, okay? Like you're tightening. Keep going until it gets really tight, and then it should be good. And then you just loosen this guy out, and then you pull it out, all right? I'm gonna do that right now. Okay, guys, so these clips right here, gonna go in here, all right? In the bumper, all right, one there. So yeah, so we got our drill with our 10 millimeter on to screw all these guys in. So we're gonna start with the first panel, all right? Try and get this thing on. And let's see, let's keep going. Okay, guys, so we got the first piece on. Okay, all the screws in here, all around here, there, along there. Now we're just gonna do the second piece on, the middle piece. So I put these bolts in here, just one bolt, just to help me put this plate on. But I'm gonna remove this bolt because these 3 have to slide right in there. All right, this piece gotta slide into this piece. So the other 2 in the back has to go. One's gonna go here, and one's gonna go here. All right, put this guy here and here. Okay, yeah, for those bolts, you're better off using speed wrench. All right. Okay, so got these 2 in. We're gonna do the service portion now. This piece, let's get this shit in. Yeah, look how we're looking, guys. My bumper is in such shitty condition, but we got most of the bolts in so far. It's pretty solid. I gotta get this one in here. Didn't really line up for some reason, and so far everything else is working out though. Just gonna add this last piece right here for the service panel. So I was gonna go like this, right? So let's work on that. Of course, guys, I'm running into a little bit of a problem here. Look where my bolt gotta go. So it's these here, And here, there's already a fucking bolt in there. That's my luck, man. See if I can get that out somehow quick. Yeah, guys, sorry, my phone ended up dying, so I wasn't able to finish the video. But yeah, anyways, we got it in. Unfortunately, I really couldn't get that bolt out. I ended up breaking the drill bit in there. But I got the one bolt in, and so far it's pretty solid. But eventually, I'm gonna go back to that and try and get that bolt, that broken bolt out, and get the other, and then get a new bolt in. I gotta figure something out with that. But the whole thing is pretty solid so far. I'll recommend getting this Undershroud. It's pretty solid, man. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching the video. Hope you like, share, and subscribe. All right, stay blessed out there, everybody. One love, you know what it is.
Cash money getter, big showstopper, 4 kids having no chain rocker. Make my business, work my business, count them digits, earn them winnings. I see you in my rear view and you been trying.